In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to send a file after form submission in Wix. Our journey begins at the Wix website editor. This is the main hub where you'll perform all of your Wix website modifications. So, let's venture into this wonderfully intuitive platform together. Your first action here is to locate and click on the Edit Form option. This enables you to change elements of an existing form on your website. Maybe you want to alter fields, adjust the layout, or, as in this case, set up the form to distribute files upon a user's successful submission. Now that your form is ready for editing, your next port of call is the Settings option. This unique console is the heart of your form's behavior and functionality. Here, you can command your form's interactions and responses. Like an unseen puppeteer, the Settings section gives you full control over your form's performance. From the Settings section, you now need to steer your attention to the Notifications and Automations feature. This is the backstage of your form operations. It's where you can curate an array of form responses, including email confirmations, automated responses, or alerts. This section is powerful, and mastering it will be incredibly beneficial to running your website effectively. Feeling empowered by your newfound knowledge? Great! Now, within this Notifications and Automations area, seek out and click on the Edit button. With this button, you'll be able to start implementing those automated actions that your form will undertake once a submission happens. Finally, the climax of our tutorial is at hand: sending a file after form submission. This is the pièce de résistance of your form's behavior. Regardless of what file it is, be it an ebook, a thank you note, an invoice, or a special bonus content, you are now able to share this automatically with your users once they've completed the form submission. Watch as your efficiency soars, your users experience smooth and seamless interactions, and your website thrives under your effective management. And there we have it. You have successfully learned how to set up your Wix form to send a file once a form submission is successful. You're now one step closer to becoming a Wix wizard. Well done.